वेलकम बैक टू फिजिक्स क्लास। आज हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे स्लाइडिंग मोशन पर बेस्ड न्यूमेरिकल्स की। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट अ बॉक्स ऑफ मास 4 kg इज प्लेस्ड ऑन अ वुडन प्लैंक ऑफ लेंथ 1.5 मीटर। एक बॉक्स है जिसका मास 4 kg है। मास ऑफ द बॉक्स m is equal to 4 kg is placed on a wooden plank of length 1.5 meter which is lying on the ground. The plank is lifted from one end along its length so that it becomes inclined. It is noted that when the vertical height of the top end of the plank from the ground becomes 0.5 meter, the box begins to slide. Find the coefficient of friction between the box and the so suppose a wooden plank, एक कोई wooden plank है, this is the wooden plank जिसकी लेंथ कितनी है 1.5 मीटर है और इसको ग्राउंड से क्या किया गया है, ग्राउंड इसका जो वन एंड इज लिफ्टेड फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड, ग्राउंड से क्या किया गया है, लिफ्ट किया गया है। और कितना लिफ्ट किया गया है, कितने डिस्टेंस कवर कर लेता है वर्टिकल हाइट, ये 0.5 मीटर, मतलब 0.5 मीटर ये हमारा लिफ्ट कर जाता है ऊपर की तरफ। जब ये प्लैंक ग्राउंड से लिफ्ट करेगा देन दिस प्लैंक इज inclined at an angle theta from this ground. Okay, so student, it is clear that this is the plank. Suppose OA is the plank, wooden plank is inclined at an angle theta from the horizontal or from the ground with the vertical height is 0.5 meter. This is the vertical height and this OA is the 1.5 meter. Here OA is equal to 1.5 meter. AB is equal to 0.5 meter. And a box of mass 4 kg is placed, ये रखा हुआ है, then the weighing force is vertically downward and this is the normal reaction, capital R, and the weight mg is having two components, mg cos theta and mg sin theta. If the box is just slide down, then the frictional force is acting in this direction, upward direction. So to be determined the coefficient of friction, coefficient of friction mu is equal to question mark sign. Since we know that mu is equal to tan theta, so this is perpendicular upon base means AB upon base means OB. Okay, in the triangle OAV we can determine the OB square is equal to OA square minus AB square. It means OB square is equal to 1.5 square minus 0.5 square. 1.5 225 minus 0.25, So OV square is equal to 2. It means OV is equal to अंडर रूट 2. इट मीन्स हमारे पास OV जो आया है वो 1.41. therefore mu is equal to AB upon OB is equal to 0.5 upon 1.41. 0 हटाया, कैंसिल कर दिया. सो दिस इज 50 upon 140. mu is equal to 0.35. Okay, so this is the coefficient of friction. Okay, thank you, student.